Baguio, long standby, so I don't, maybe if something happens, to save your luggage in there. Because the area is for Alaska only. But there are so many airlines and so many bags in that side, that might be lost. That's to make sure. Go directly to Alaska. Huh? Tomorrow, if you want to stay here only, tomorrow, you're not going out? Yeah, I know. But your time is tomorrow morning. So you can, if you want to stay only there, this will open at 5. Yeah, 5 morning. Because there are no more flight at the time after 2 to 4. Yes. So you will be, yeah, okay. Huh?
So what we're gonna do right now, we will drop you off in front.